Poor wireless connection. Oh, it went live. I thought iPhone to me was gonna have a little issue tonight. Ooh, the lighting is so bad over here. Oh yeah, that's Bora. She's showing me some pictures of Bora Bora. It's really, really nice. So it's been Tuesday at the tax office, and yeah, it's been very, very busy today. Glory be to God. But it's been a long day. I'm actually still at work. I'm still at the tax office. I'll probably be here for another 2 hours probably, but that's fine. I'll be here. You can call me all the way up until 7, 8 o'clock tonight, and we'll be here. But it is Tuesday. It's Tax Tip Tuesday, and like I said, I committed to come on line every Tuesday to let you guys, ask questions or to give you a weekly tax tip and to really explain some things to you. But y'all bear with me because it's been a long day. I've been up since like 4 o'clock this morning doing y'all's taxes. So we still grinding. Yes, I got my coffee in hand, drinking my coffee here. May take a shot of Red Bull. Sorry, my alarm clock just went off. Yeah, my alarm clock's telling me, yeah, stop doing something. So anyways, I know everybody by now, some of you have already gotten your W-2s or you're in the process. I mean, if they not here now, I mean, pretty much they're going to be here in the next 2 to 3 weeks. Your employers have until January 31st to send you your W-2. So if you don't have one by now, don't start trying to go up there and threaten them people, tell them you're going to quit and, cuss them out. And, don't be calling your HR manager, every day, bugging her. You wear your W-2 at, get them people time. It's only, 9 days into the new year. Get them people some time. The first day to file is January 29th, and that is the first day that people can begin processing those loans. So if you want to get that tax advance loan, the highest is $2,500 that you can get. And if you want to get that advance, they're going to start that on January 29th if you have all your things and you're ready to file. So come January 29th, yes, we can start clicking submit and seeing if you can get that money. But if you don't have your W-2 or nothing, then yeah, you have to wait till you get your W-2 because you have to be able to be ready to file. In regards to the credit repair stuff, how that works is, yes, Right Way Tax, we are going to be giving credit repair 6 months. And let me be very specific with this because y'all know we in the age of social media. Y'all screenshot stuff, y'all video record it, you share it, you post it on World Star. So I want to make sure I'm very clear with the words and things that I'm saying. So with that being said, and yes, I'll give you the address in 1 second. With that being said, so there can be some clarity, we are giving our clients, meaning people who file taxes with us, complimentary credit repair when they file taxes the right way. And people ask, okay, so like, why are you doing it? Well, I put my money where my mouth is. And like I said, Right Way Tax, I'm a firm believer of faith, family, and financial security. And I want everybody to, be able to do something positive with their refund money. And as a tax preparer, I want to be able to help you do that. And I was thinking in what capacity could Right Way really help our clients, do something. Like when tax season is over, it's over. But credit is something that's going to be ongoing all year long, and we can stay in relationship with you and really help you through that. And like next tax season, we helping you do bigger things, buy houses, start businesses, or whatever. So we really, really, really love helping and servicing our clients. So how the credit repair works is when you file your taxes the right way, you get 6 months of credit repair through us. It is no additional charge. No, it doesn't come out of your refund. We charge you our fixed fee to prepare your taxes and to do the credit repair. So we do 6 months, and we do not guarantee you scores. So do not think, please, do not think that, I'm gonna have a 700, I'm in 720 in 6 months. No. Stop it right there, brother. Stop it right there. It's not gonna happen like that. Some of you, yes, your score is gonna jump through the roof in 6 months. Some of you, your score is gonna get a little bit better. And some of y'all, depending on how bad your situation is, Some of y'all, you know, you might get a little bit above the water than what you was at first. And some of your stuff might just stay the same. So please do not run off and think that this is the key to everything. No. Credit repair is a very in-depth process, and it involves a lot of things. And it also involves maintaining the good credit at the same time. So in 6 months, we are going to work our hardest, and I mean our hardest, to get as much off your credit as we can. Some of you guys might get 20 things off. Some of you guys might get 1 thing off. It's gonna vary. It's not I'm not gonna guarantee you that car that got repossessed back in 2006 gonna come off your credit. I'm not gonna guarantee you that the Comcast bill that you do not pay is gonna come off your credit. I'm not gonna do it. But what I will tell you is we will get some things off your credit. You know, if I don't get nothing off your credit, then you can talk about me. But before you talk about me, we gonna make sure we gonna understand why. Maybe we ain't getting off your credit because you may still be out here, you know, doing improper things with your credit. So you get 6 months of credit repair, and whatever we can get off and whatever we can do in that 6 months, I mean, hey, more power to you. We love, that's the whole point, is to be able to help you, you know, and to be able to empower you, Credit is king. Cash used to be king, but credit is king. Credit is king. So it's definitely something we want everybody to be a part of this tax season. Tell somebody about it. Share a friend. You know, reach one, teach one. You know, however you want to do it. If you have any other additional questions about credit repair, let me know while we're online, and I'll be able to answer those questions for you as much as I can. We are located at 16826 Stubner Airline. That's in Spring, Texas. Yes. If you're trying to run up on me right now, my door will be locked. Yeah, when the sun go down, the doors get locked. All you got them, you know, them bad thoughts in your head. But we are here if you want to come in person, or you can send everything via email or via phone. We also have another location off 59, but it has not opened up yet due to the fact that we're going to be able to probably about a day next week. So if you want to come a little bit closer in, like 59 North area, we will be there as well. So we have those 2 locations. Our number is 281-258-4435. Please follow us on Instagram at Right Way Tax. You really want to follow me now because you know these laws can change. I'm telling you, the tax reform ain't fit to be no joke. And you ain't got to go read no books. You ain't got to read no books. I'm going to read all the books for you. I'm going to do all the research I can for you. And guess what? I'm going to be feeding it to you. Instagram, Facebook, social media, whatever I find out about this new law and how it's going to affect you, I'm going to give it to you, give you as much info as I can. So we're going to be ready. After this tax season ends, we are going to be, on this tax reform like never before, because it's already here. It's happening right now. You just won't see the effects of it until you file next tax season. Yes, we are using a credit. We do use a credit. We don't really use a credit. We do our credit repair in-house, but we have affiliates that we work with, but it is in-house. So Right Way Tax will be your point of contact. I'm not going to pass you off, sign you off, and then when you got an issue, tell you, oh, no, you need to go call this person. No, you got an issue with your credit, you're going to come to us. It started here, it's going to end here. So, I hope that answered the question. Secondly, my biggest thing is how to get the best tax refund, because I notice if you don't do your own taxes and you are going to a tax professional, then you shopping around, and I encourage you to do so. The biggest thing with taxpayers is, you get your favorite tax preparer, and I want to be your favorite tax preparer, but tax preparers have to continually stay in woke. So, don't get stuck into just dealing with one person so much, because you could be kind of missing out on some things, especially if they not doing, especially if they're not keeping themselves up to date, and you just can't. I know Miss somebody been doing taxes for 35 years, and your mama's and your grandmama's mama been going to that person to file taxes. However, at the same time, stay woke. Sometimes you need to, shop around a little bit to make sure you're getting the best of the best of the best. I might not be the best of the best of the best for you, but you won't know that until you start shopping around for tax repairs. So right now, I know everybody's shopping around. You haven't got your W-2s yet, so you trying to, you're looking on Ballers on a Budget. You looking at everybody Instagram, somebody post a refund. You looking at that, trying to figure out, ooh, who gave her refund? Ooh, whatever. Like, you really, really you really looking to see what people want to get their taxes done at. So the main thing to how to get the best refund estimate is to understand this. And I'm not ashamed to say it, because it's like, why would you say that? Like, I mean, doesn't that take business from you? I don't really care. You know, it's millions of taxpayers in Houston. I can't do all y'all taxes, so I mean, give you the information that you need so you can make the best decision possible to get your taxes done, all right? My alarm went off. That's probably why it just came in. So how to get the best tax refund estimate? Pretty much, you go to a tax office, you provide them your income information. Do not just call a tax office or DM a tax preparer and just be like, okay, I got 4 kids, how much I'm gonna get back? Well, we don't know. You need to provide income information. Send a picture of your check stub, send a picture of your W-2 from last year, provide them information. If you don't know how to send a picture of your check stub, read it to them off the phone. Hey, I made $21,000 year to date, and my tax, they took out this in federal withholdings. Social Security and Medicare withholdings have no weight on your taxes. So if you look at your check stub right now and it shows you all the things they took out, Social Security, Medicare, all that stuff, I mean, those numbers, you have to put them on the tax return, but they really hold no type of major merit as far as how much you're going to get back. The big number is the federal withholdings, how much federal taxes got taken out your check. So what you do is you give that number to the tax preparers that you're interested in doing. You let them know how much you made, how many dependents you have, and you tell them things about yourself, because certain credits you may be eligible for, such as school credit, if you attended school, if you went to Bible college this year during 2017. Then tell a tax preparer that. If you bought a house this year, tell a tax preparer that. If you pay for your kids to go to daycare or child care, tell the tax preparer that, because that's another additional credit that they can add on to you. They can't read your mind. They don't know who you are in your life. So when you call them, they're going to give you a number. Now, I'm going to tell you something. All professional tax preparers or licensed tax preparers, they're using professional tax preparation software. So when you call them, they're going to give you a number. That number should pretty much be almost consistent with every tax preparer that you're sending to them, because we're all using the same system that's calculating math the same way. However, some people's numbers may come out higher or they might come out way lower. And that's what you need to be mindful of. If you call X tax office and they tell you your refund $8,000, you tell them I got 4 kids, I made $30,000 this year, and they tell you your refund is $8,000, and then you backdoor and you call John tax office and you tell them the exact same information you told this tax office, and they tell you your refund is $12,000 or $10,000, most people automatically assume, oh, well, I'm going over here because you know what you doing. You getting me you must be, you're smarter than this other tax preparer, honestly. That's not that. No, they might not be smarter. They might be a little bit more crookeder, a little bit more shady, a little bit more IRS audit prone than the other tax preparer that got you only 8, but it doesn't mean that they're smarter. So trying to break it down a little bit more, simpler, the only way somebody's refund is going to come out extremely larger than someone else's is if one or two reasons. One, you gave some additional information to the taxpayer, meaning you might have told the other taxpayer that only gave you $8,000. You forgot to mention to them that you went to school. So they didn't calculate that additional $2,000 school credit that you could have got. So that's why their number is $2,000 less, because you didn't tell them you went to school, but you did tell it to the other taxpayer. That's why they were able to add on a school credit and add you that credit. Now, if you told them exact same information, but the numbers are different, then you might want to get to wonder. So explain to me, tell me, how am I at 11? Tax preparers will put things on your taxes, not because they just smart and they have deductions and they know all the magically delicious deductions. I mean, taxes is not no Lucky Charms. So it's mainly because they know how to put certain things on your taxes that may or not be what's supposed to be there. And some of those things are businesses. I see thousands of tax returns that people, I got this back, this person got me this back. Okay, yeah, You've been cutting grass for 10 years, huh? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you run a little league school. What? I don't run no. You do a janitorial service. So don't think that you getting some, just like I said, magically delicious deduction that another taxpayer don't know about. If I want to get you 15 grand back, I get you 15 grand back. But it's involved putting things on your taxes that may not necessarily be eligible for. So when they tell you, oh, I got all these deductions, well, what deductions did you give me? So just be mindful that when you shopping for tax refund estimate, don't go for the biggest number. Don't go for the biggest number. And if you, especially when somebody already gave you a number and it's tremendously lower than what somebody else is giving you, it's a possibility that they're putting something on there that shouldn't be there. Now, if you one of them people who cool with that, I mean, somebody probably like, man, I'm okay with that. Like, whatever gonna get. Then if that's your prerogative, that's cool. Then cool. However, at the same time, when in 2 years or something, if the audit letters come, then be cool with that too. Just make sure you cool with that too. That's the rules of engagement. If you know that your taxpayer is adding additional income to help you get that big money, or adding some self-employment, then, and you cool with that, you was cool with that refund money coming into your bank, then be cool when the audit letter comes. Like, don't be trying to throw shade and, file a complaint against your taxpayer and, snitch with the IRS and tell people that, yeah, you didn't know what they was doing. You knew you got that money in your account. So, like, don't get ghost now. So, with that being said, be mindful when you have totally different tax refund estimates and they two different amounts. Now, if they kind of on the same level, she said 8,200, she said 8,100, that's cool. Then go for the best taxpayer who can, you service, customer service, quality, all that kind of stuff. So yes, that's when you're shopping around for tax refund estimate. Credit repair, just to recap. We are giving 6 months of complimentary credit repair to all our tax clients that file a Right Way Tax. And that's 6 months. Like I said, we don't do score guarantees, but we do guarantee that something will come off your credit. And it's a lot. It's gonna take some effort on your part as well. So don't think we just gonna pull your credits, start disputing with these credit bureaus, and you're gonna sleep at night like real good. No, true credit repair involves work on both parties: the person who's repairing your credit and the person who's getting that credit repaired. People can be taking 20 things off your credit, but at the same time, you getting 20 new things added on. Like, people trying to get the old repo off your credit, but here you get another car repo. Like, that defeats the purpose. So if you are interested in any of those services, or if you would like an estimate from Right Way Tax, please hit us up, DM us, and send us your email, your full name, your email address, and we will send you our estimate app for you to get an estimate. In addition, we will send you that link for you to provide us any information. If you just want us to review a tax return for you, you don't have to be my client for me to give you tax advice. So please, if I can help you with that, please let me know, and we would love to be of service and assistance with you. Follow us on Instagram at Right Way Tax. I'm telling you, you're going to want to stay in the loop, especially when this new tax reform stuff hit the scene. It's already here, but you're not going to feel it until next year, till we file. So just in case everybody wondering about the extra $1,000 for the child, that ain't this year. So, stop asking your taxpayers about that. That's, next year. So, hit us up. Our contact number is 281-258-4435. Follow us on Instagram. Email us at info@taxrightway.com. And, yeah, happy taxing. And if you need an estimate, like I said, DM us with your full name and your email address. Y'all enjoy y'all Tax Tip Tuesday, and I will definitely get with y'all next week or maybe later on this week whenever you get a chance. Stop by and come see us at our spring office. Y'all have a good Tuesday night.